Enter the dust outlet. The shell is made of aluminum alloy. There are two clamps in the trimming machine that are respectively 6 mm per 6.35 mm. The trimming machine base assembly is fast lifting and lifting adjustment, fast locking. Installation of guide bushing. One button start function. Switch 5 gear adjustment. Straight guide plate. Humanized grip, even long time work can keep comfortable. Straight knife, V-type knife, dovetail knife. Trimming guide seat. Cordless operation, convenient and fast. Let every trimming become the ultimate pursuit of details. Trim edge knife. Round bottom knife. Accurate grasp, error without trace. Every repair is the pursuit of perfection.